When you hear this sound, turn the page. When you hear this sound, the book is over.
Why do birds fly south? A Just Ask book.
Look at all the birds. Where are they going?
They're flying south. Every year, some birds migrate.
They what?
The birds migrate. Let's talk to them. They can tell you the whole story. Hi, Christopher wants to know what migrate means. Can you tell him what it means and why you do it?
Sure. This spring we came here to live, but we built our nests and made our homes. We had our babies. All summer it was warm and nice. It was easy to find food.
We're hungry!
Then the days started to get shorter. There was less sunlight. It got much cooler. That tells us winter is coming, and it is time to leave.
Let's get going!
We fly south where it is warm. We need to live in a warm place where we can find food. When birds fly south for the winter, we say they migrate.
Migrate?
Now we are ready to migrate. Birds migrate in different ways. Some birds fly alone. Others fly in big groups called flocks.
We like being together.
Some birds fly at night, some fly during the day. Some travel only a short way. Others travel much farther. Let's look at a map and see where birds travel. Canada geese fly together in flocks. They start here and travel only a short way. They want a warmer place where they can find food. When it turns cold, wrens and bluebirds gather in flocks and fly south too. They travel to warm places for winter months.
Time to leave.
Black crows also fly south, and so do many of the blue jays and red-winged blackbirds.
He is loud.
The tiny hummingbirds start in the north. Most of them follow this path. They can even travel over part of an ocean without stopping. Each year, the little birds travel 3,000 miles.
That's a long way. We know where we're going.
Some birds seem to use mountains and coastlines to keep on the right path. They seem to use the sun to help them know which way to go. Other birds seem to use the night stars to guide them as they migrate. People who study birds have to put bands on our legs to find out where we migrate. People have learned where we go, how we go, and how long it takes. Why do birds know when to migrate? How do they find their way? People can only guess.
Interesting.
When spring comes, we know it is time to fly back north to build our nests and have our babies. Then the days get shorter and cooler. There is less sunlight. So, what do we do all over again?
Migrate! Amazing. We get it.